Why does your scanner show the P087A engine code? What does it mean? P087A is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch position sensor B circuit malfunction. This error code indicates that the vehicle's computer ECM has detected a problem with the sensor that monitors the clutch position. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. Faulty clutch position sensor. Wiring issues. Transmission control module fault. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford Focus, Ford Fiesta, and Kia. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.